Thank you for watching our channel. You see, this is baby pepper, but this is not hot pepper. This is sweet bell pepper. It's yellow, supposed to be yellow or green. So we're gonna see. See, baby pepper, little baby pepper. Oh man. And then look, we got some little tomato, and see, got a baby tomato. This is called, I don't know, some kind of tomato, but it's not small, it's big tomato. But it's baby one. And we got flour right here, flour, and another flour, so should be more tomatoes coming. See, we got more sweet bell peppers, 2 more tomatoes, few palm trees, see palm trees. This is, we in Virgin Islands right now, Virgin Islands. Okay. Any more peppers? Oh, I see little baby pepper. See, this should be baby pepper right here. This one right there, that's a baby pepper. See? Oh my goodness, so exciting. We got more of this pepper not doing so well right here. Another pepper. More peppers. Thank you for watching our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. We'll show you, when it grows bigger. When we got big, ugly tomatoes. Thank you. Bye-bye.